All right, let's do the last steps of the selfie project. So I notice here I actually forgot part of my neck. I think that was meant to be my necklace line. So I'm going to go back over and add some of that, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my shirt. Now you may not be able to find the exact color of the shirt that you were wearing. That's okay. You can pretend it was a different color. So you just go ahead and choose whichever color you would like for your shirt. If it had a pattern, you can go ahead and try and create that pattern as well. You don't really have to worry about getting it exact. So I'm going to pretend that my shirt was orange. And I'm just going to go ahead and shade that in. And the last thing I'm going to do is my eyes. So my eyes are green. They're not this color green and they're not this color green. They're some sort of in between. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and mix these two together. I'm going to start with the lighter color. And I can color over top of the pupil because again it's still there on the other side, so it won't make a difference. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some of this darker green. Now I can see I made a small error and that some of the green has gone into the whites of my eyes. So I can just use my fingernail or anything that's sharp and get rid of that. And then I'm going to bring back in the whites of my eyes. But this is a great reason why you got to do the whites first, because now I might be blending a little bit with the green, which is not what I want to be doing, but that's okay. All right, so there we have me with my neon green eyes. I might subdue them a little bit more, even by adding some gray. And if you put it on top of the dark, you can see the white much better, so you don't have to worry about the whites not being there. So I'm going to go ahead and subdue my eyes with a little bit of this gray, because my eyes are not that bright. I wish they were. Now you can see that it started to sort of peel off the pastel that was underneath. That's okay. If it continues to do that, I might just have to get rid of that pastel altogether there with my fingernail or with sandpaper or with something else and just redo it because it was taking off color rather than adding it on. So now I'm adding this gray and it's going to need some of that green again. And there we have it. You may notice some little pastel flakes around the edge of your paper. That's totally fine. You can always wipe those off later with some paper towel, but they won't really be visible through your background anyway.